How to remove background in Canva without Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove your background without Pro in Canva, and this is completely legal. Okay, you just need to use some trick and then you will be able to do this. As you can see here, so the background is a PNG, so background is not white. Okay, so I'm not telling you something where you have to download the white background. I'm telling you something that you can download the transparent background. Okay, so stick to the video till the end. So as you can see here, the picture was this and then the picture turned into this. So how to do that? In order to do that, you need to go to canva.com first. Go to canva.com, and from here what you need to do is you can select any of the format, like I'm selecting the YouTube thumbnail format, and now click on the upload, and you have to upload the image first. Okay, right now don't upload the image first. I'll tell you what you need to do. Go to the apps. See guys, if I select this image here and then I click on the BG remover, then this is the Pro option, right? But I'm not using the Pro. I will tell you without Pro how you can do that. So just clear this image, go to the apps. On the left corner you can see the option apps. Here what you need to do is you need to type background remover. Okay, stick to the video till the end, because at the end I will show you one free website which will that is a bonus option that like you cannot see guys. Let's first do this. Let's first go to the apps, and you need to click this one, clear the background, and open it. And here you need to choose the file and remove the background. So it is in the process now. Just stick to the video till the end guys, and please subscribe my YouTube channel as well. I really need your help growing my channel. As you can see, the picture is ready. As you can see, the picture is pretty clear. As you can see, just say it on the format, and then what you need to do is you just need to download. Now while downloading this, it says that to download transparent background you need to use Pro, right? So in that case what you need to do is just download it on the white background, and then I'll tell you another way how you can remove this option. Okay, now go to the pickwish.com website, and then here you get the option remove background. Click on the remove background and select this one, and right after clicking there you will see that your background will be removed here, and it will give you a pretty nice quality, as you can see here. So it gives you credit when you click on the download. As you can see, I have one credit. You can download HD image. Okay, or if you don't have the credit, then you can simply download free image. Even the free image format has a good option to edit your photos. Okay, so if I click on the free image also, then I'll tell you the quality. As you can see, the quality is not bad. As you can see, the quality is not that bad. So this is your transparent image. I hope guys this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.